A problem at the restaurant.
Oh no! Your shirt!
What happened?
You have sauce on your shirt.
Oh no.
Look at your shirt.
It's my new shirt.
Don't worry.
How did this happen?
You were eating pasta. Some sauce got on your shirt.
This is terrible. The stain is so big.
Take a napkin.
A napkin.
Yes. Clean it quickly.
Okay, like this.
Yes, gently.
Is it getting better?
A little.
I can still see the stain.
We need some water.
Good idea. Excuse me.
Yes,
Can I have some water, please?
of course.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Put some water on the napkin.
Okay.
Now clean the shirt.
I hope it works.
Keep going.
The stain is getting lighter.
Really?
Yes.
That's great.
My shirt is almost clean.
See? Don't worry.
I need to be more careful.
Especially when you eat pasta.
Yes, I'll eat more carefully next time.
Good idea.
Stuck in an elevator.
Oh no! The elevator stopped.
What? Are we stuck?
I think so.
Oh no.
Stay calm.
I'm trying.
Press the button.
Which one?
The alarm button.
Okay. I pressed it.
Did it work?
I don't know. Try the door.
It won't open.
Don't force it.
Okay. Do you have your phone?
Yes, I do.
Call for help.
I have no signal.
This is scary.
What floor are we on?
I think the 5th floor.
That's pretty high.
Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Wait! I hear something.
Really?
Yes. Listen.
Someone is outside.
Help! We are stuck.
Please help us.
Can you hear us?
I think they heard us. The door is moving.
We're getting out.
Finally.
We're safe.
I'm never taking this elevator again.
At the flower shop.
Excuse me, I need your help.
Sure. What do you need?
I need a beautiful flower.
Just one flower?
Maybe more than one.
Who is it for?
It's for my girlfriend.
Oh, I see.
I want to surprise her. But I don't know what to buy.
What flowers does she like?
I don't know.
What is her favorite color?
Pink.
Then look at these roses.
Wow, they're beautiful. How much are they?
$10 each.
$10 each.
Yes.
That's a little expensive.
I have a cheaper idea.
Really?
How about these flowers?
I like them.
Would you like a small bouquet?
Yes, please.
What color ribbon?
Pink, please.
Good choice.
Can you add a card?
Of course. What should I write?
You make me happy.
That's perfect.
I hope she likes it.
I'm sure she will.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.